Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today for dinner I'm making southern fried cabbage. It is absolutely tasty. Here I have my plate already eating. It's not yet dinner time, but I started eating some and it's absolutely tasty. So welcome to my channel and let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's make some southern fried cabbage. Alright, thank you for clicking on my video. So first we're gonna cut our cabbage in half, then in quarters, and then we're gonna remove the core. So this part hard to cook and it's also bitter, so we're gonna get rid of that. All right, I don't think I'm gonna use all of this, so you can go ahead and cut your cabbage in your desired size. It's mainly cut in chunks. I'm gonna just cut it down the center and then cut it up like this. So now that we have our cabbage all chopped up, I'm gonna rinse it with some salt water. The salt water is mainly to just remove any impurities that may be on the cabbage. After this, you can just run it through your colander. Right. Now I'm going to chop up some bell peppers. I already took out the seed and rinse them. Just cut them in rings. So now we are ready. Chop up the bacon. And this is the sausage that I'm using. It's made with pepper jack. It has pepper jack and green onion in it. So this is the style that I'm cutting them in slants. So we're gonna start with the skillet by frying up our bacon. Once the bacon is nice and semi-crisp, we're gonna fry up our sausages. Cook them to the crispiness that you like. And now we're gonna go ahead and fry our sausages. Alright, so once they're nice and golden on both sides, I'm just going to remove them. I have a bigger pot that I've transferred some of the grease in. We're going to saute our peppers and onions. All depending on how crunchy you want your onions or how soft you want them. So after a couple minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and add my cabbage. Put in my cabbage. Once I stir it up, I'm gonna cover it so that it can reduce. So I'm just going to cover it for a couple minutes and then we're going to add our seasoning. That is some paprika. Little red pepper flakes, not too much. Just a pinch of Cayenne, Creole seasoning, and some Cajun, and a little black pepper. If you don't have these exact seasoning, you can use whatever seasoning you have at hand. This is garlic and herb, salt free. I'm gonna add a little because you have to bear in mind that the bacon is a bit salty, so you have to bear in mind you can't add too much seasoning. So I guess you can taste as you go. Just gonna cover it for a couple more minutes just so that my cabbage can get a little tender. If you want it extremely crunchy, that's fine. Alright, it's been about 8 minutes. We're gonna add our sausages and bacon. Give it a couple more minutes and then we're done. I'm gonna have mine with some white rice. This is absolutely delicious. It's very tasty. Go ahead, give it a try. Really good. You can have it by itself if you don't want to have any rice. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I would really appreciate that, and it's free of cost. Alright, thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your week. Bye. They're so good. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video.